is the brand new iPhone 5 straight out of the box, and in this video we're going to take it apart and have a closer look at what's inside. First thing we need to do is remove the two star-shaped screws from the bottom of the phone. These are the same style screws as used in the iPhone 4S and iPhone 4. With the screws removed, we can now ease out the screen. We're going to use a suction cup to lift the screen and use a safe open pry tool to help lift it out. Notice that we're going in from the front on the iPhone 5 as opposed to going in from the back on the 4 and the 4S. Of course, makes it much easier for screen repairs. The screen is still attached to the motherboard, so we need to remove these flex cables which are under the metal plate. Remove the 3 small Phillips screws as being shown here now in the video. You now have access to the 3 flex ribbon cables for the screen. Using a safe open pry tool, just pop these pop connectors off and you will then be able to remove the screen from the rest of the phone. So here is the new longer iPhone 5 screen, and here are the 3 connectors which were connected to the motherboard. Reattach the screen, just pop the pop connectors back in place. This is how you would replace a damaged screen. Much easier than the iPhone 4 and 4S. Next we are going to remove the battery. To do this we first need to remove the cover over the battery connector, so we need to remove the small Phillips screws and then release the pop connector. With the battery connector already released, we can now ease out the battery by using the clear tab. It's held in with a little bit of glue. As you can see, it is very similar in size to the iPhone 4 and 4S battery. Check our other iPhone 5 videos where we dive deeper into the phone.